Recording in progress.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya Tina Wulan Afita dari kelas 2B Manajemen. Saya di sini akan mempresentasikan tentang ekonomi manajemen berjudul Capital Structure Determinant and its Influence to Value of the Firm. Literature review. Pecking order theory. Pecking order theory studies the company with high level of profitability, so a low level of debt. Because the high profitability company has abundant sources of internal fund. Bradley, May, and Marcus. Pecking order theory has two rules. The rules are using internal fund and issuing securities that have minimal risk. Pecking order theory implies that if the source of fund from outside the company is required, then firstly the company needs to issue debt before issue share. Capital structure. The capital structure is a permanent proportion spent to cover the need of corporate spending using funds obtained from a competition or sources the companies from within and outside the company. It is short, reflect the balance between debt and equity. The value of the firm. The company is an organization that combines and organizes various resources for the purpose of producing goods and services for sale. The company's main purpose, according to theory of the firm, is to maximize the value of the firm. Maximizing the value of the firm is very important for a company because with maximizing the value of the firm is important for a company because with maximizing the value of the company also means maximizing shareholder wealth. Liquidity. Liquidity is the ability of a company to pay bills in the short term with distributing operation. In the balance sheet, the company liquidity is characterized by the division of cost assets benefit my short term. Company the ability to pay all its financial obligation called liquid company, and a company that has no able to pay all its financial obligation called illiquid company. A company out of liquid is when the value of the division of current assets flow to short-term debt is greater than 1. Profitability. Profitability is a measure that indicates the company's ability to generate profit for its shareholders of the size profit distributed to shareholders. Called dividend will cause the company request determine funding therapy in the company long. The term and they can cause the company have additional fund capital resulting in kind of corporate capital and a reduction in the use of the loan. Debit. Frame size. Frame size describes the size of the company. Frame size indicated by total sales, total assets, and the average level of sales team. Total as the UC of an IFS, the capital structure because it determines how a company so profit fund to finance is with that to hang the combination of the debit and equity of the company. Next, previous ratios. Preferred ratios, market data, and risky conducting a study where dependent variable used is capital. So the an independent variable of used where frame size, stability, probability, grow on non-debit access. And if investment, the object of ratio is the company list on the stock. I say in the frame 2005 sampai 2009. There is a use multiple accuracy analysis. The concept from the studies is generally probability. Liquidity growth and non-debit tax as inflow see with capital structure. Will the company sustainability again investment had no influence? Selanjutnya, hipotesis liquid inflow to capital structure. Key in the ability of a company to pay bills in the short term with you distributing operation. In the balance side, the company liquidity is characterized by the division of course assisted by short-term debt. A company that able to pay all its financial obligation called liquid company, and a company that has no ability to pay all its financial obligations liquid with penny. A company rate of liquid is when two value of the division of foreign assets flow to short-term debt is greater than 1. In Canada, influence in making investment also saw the company. Begitu the liquid is also the company capital structure. Property is to capital structure. Property is a measure that in the company's ability to generate profit for shareholder over the assets. Profit is to shareholder quality event will cause the company request external funded delivery in scarce company long-term debt or short-term debt and retained even cause the company have additional fund capital in exchange of corporate capital and reduction in the use of the loan or debit. Frame size influence to capital structure. Frame size describes the size of the company. Frame size indicated by total sales total and the value of sales. Total as the often affect this capital structure because it determines a company's profits one to finance is that to send the compensation of the debit and equity of the company. Liquidity influence to value of the frame, and an investor would see the level of liquidity of the company when investment. The liquidity of the company respect the level of activity of a stock that on the stock exchange. The more active the high level of demand for the company's stock. Profitability and value of the frame. Pecking order theory states the company with a high level of profitability, so a low level of debits Because the high profitability, company has abandoned most of internal fund. Bradley Myers and Marcus 207 company that have a low level of profitability are the investors to invest on increase investor confidence due to high profitability demonstrated the effectiveness and ability of corporate management. In run the operator in service were confident that all trace the companies. Frame size into value of the frame. The size of the is a important factor in the formation of the company value like company can generation creating and creating a high return than small companies. Capital structure influences the value of the frame. Capital structure is the into as for debit and equity when the sum debit and equity is great. Well, the frame the capital structure can be called the debit to additive. That accordingly there are the rules then determining the fair value of debt. But generally there are less to be less than one because the their value more than one. Indicated the company is run dari operator using debit than the equity. Sampelnya ada di sini. Kapital struktur, liquidity, itu res model, res design. The res using cost design which is looking for the and utility regulation or the influence between the variable of liquidity, profit and references to capital structure and value the frame. Data collection, the next and sampling. The study using secondary data finalization report of 21. Worlds and retail companies. The sort of secondary data is Indonesia Capital Marketing Director. Usually by the in stock in the 210 213 content financial from rather than the next I sampai 220. The sampling 20 using propulsive sample method. Operation. Now definition and measurement of variable capital structure. The capital structure is a combination of debit and equity in the company long-term financial structure. To measure the value of the capital structure, the researchers use the debit to equity ratio that which show the proportion of fund from debit to financing the company activities. Value the firm. It means that company levels. The frame. The company value is the value of the significant. The value of the company is investor perception of the level of size of the company and is on the so the with you stock risk. Profitability is the company ability to earn income from because activity to a variable of profitability. Research used a return on equity with indicators the company ability to generate profit after tax view by using the equity of the company. Capital accounted by the management company more efficient profit in the improved profession management in managing operational financing short of fund effectively value to produce any profit. Real earning after tax is total equity. Frame size, liquidity is the ability of a company to pay bills in the short term with you distribute operation. Quantity ratio. Frame size in the scope large or small a company. The measure the people size company research use a total nominal asset. Analysis method SQL using to statically work the SRS analysis method to determine the effect directly or indirectly between liquidity, profitability, and the size of the company to the flow of the firm with capital structure as an intervening using analysis technique. The explain is on the on relation that and be drawn on structure equation. Result discrete analysis. Dan ini tabel kedua, dia cara multi-qualitative variable liquidity profitability total assets jadi 0,918 VIF 1,089. Jadi semua ini dari tabel 2 cara untuk menghitung result of multi-qualitative activity tax. Autocorrelation is the correlation between obtained in a single variable. Hypothesis testing, analysis of COVID determination, analysis R squared, the analysis R squared or the coefficient of determination also to know how big the donation percentage in the dependent variable together on the dependent. Test F ANOVA, test F ways or use it to test the influence of independent variable together on the dependent variable. Decision making is based on the signification value if. Dan ini tabel ketiga, cara untuk menghitung value of T. Mathematical significance. Ini tabel 4 dan indirect influencer. Dan diskusinya cara menghitung B is a equation formula for the coefficient in our model. Sama dengan 3003 Goldman 0,689. Cara untuk diskusi perhitungan semua dari tabel. Dan ini diagram yang dari atas tadi itu baru penghitungan dan cara menghitungnya, dan ini sudah ada perhitungan dari angka H3, H6 sampai H1 sampai H6. Dan ini tabel 5 result hipotesis. Ini pengertian dari H1 sampai H7. Management implication to the company capital structure. Capital structure must be made and managed optimally identity with the level of the rest the company at will. In the level of the firm called heavy in the company stock is often that the activity must be conducted to increase value of the firm. Conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion generally by this study are available of liquidity, profitability, and flexibility, and party profit significance influence capital structure variable. Limitation the result of flow of the frame cannot be variable due to lack of that. In the plus the stock flow of our sales and rates company is not technical. The suggestion for reason in is recommended to use along in order insert the number of samples and is recommended to cause another variable to be the coefficient of determination variable from the study only affects the capital structure. Sekian dari kami. Bila ada kesalahan mohon dimaafkan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.